So finish the power. Feel everything.
The class, don't let's forget that if you need a virgin land for business, or you want to build a structure for business, you want the building to be very close to the express along the river road, feel free to contact me. I'm going to give you direct mandates to the owner. The number to call is displayed on the screen. We want to solve this problem. Don't forget that we have our online presence. Our address is at 4 OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. So our number is displayed on the screen also. After this time out, you can also watch our presence on YouTube. Taiwo Michael GBERIGBE is our channel. Let's solve this problem. We have started simple interest some classes ago, and now we want to solve this problem. A man invested 5,000 naira for 9 months at 4%. What is the simple interest? This problem, many will find it challenging because of the word 9 months. Years, time is always given in years, but we are giving 9 months. So this time here is T, 5,000 naira. A man invested, that is the principal. The word they will use in any exam, be it JAMB, be it WAEC, NECO, the word they will use is either amount invested, amount borrowed, amount deposited. That's how you know it is principal. And we're giving at 4%, that's the rate. So what is the simple interest? So solution. So the formula for the simple interest, I've given it in my other video. Interest is principal times rate times time over 100. Time is always given in years. Rate is percentage and principal is in naira. So let's finish this up. The principal is 5,000 naira. The rate is 4. And the time, 9 months. There are 12 months in a year. So for you to convert months to year, you divide by 12. So 9 over 12, everything over 100. So we have 2 0 cancels the 0. We have 4 here 1, 4 in 12, 3. 3 here 1, 3 in 9, 3. So we have 3 times 50. So our interest is 150 naira. The information I've shared is very, very important. Let's share it to our students. Some have bereft of this information. They need you to share it to them. Let it go viral. See you in my next video. Bye.